Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm trying to use up more of my fall supplies, and today I decided to decorate my fall or my lantern with a fall arrangement on the top. This takes almost no time at all to do it, and it can be removed so that you can change the decorations on it for whatever season or holiday you want. You want to see how I did this? Stay tuned. It's coming up next. I've had this lantern for years. I actually had two and then I broke one and it shattered into a million pieces. So I'm really careful with this one. But I want to decorate it for the fall. And the one thing that I do not want is for it to be permanent. And you can see on the top it's got the little handle. This is on a timer, so it goes on every night. And it looks so nice on my bookcase. So decorating it not only brings a pop of color to the room, but I get to enjoy it. So the first thing I did was make one of my 5-minute bows. And I'm going to attach this right here. Okay, to start decorating this, I'm going to take the chenille stem from my 5-minute bow. And I'm going to twist it around to the back. And that way the front of it is all decorated. Now if this is going to be seen on something other than a bookcase, you're going to want something towards the back. And I have a little left over, so I'm just going to make a couple of loops. Scrunch that in. And twist that in. And then cut off your excess and tuck it down under. And I'm going to be gluing onto the bow, and that way when I want to take it off, all I've got to do is clip the chenille stem. And I'm going to use up the stuff that I got at my haul. This was one of them, and I cut the stem real short. And I'm just going to add some glue. Oh, I think it's time for a new glue gun. Raise this up a bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to add some glue to the back. And I'm tucking this in between the bow loops. And I have another one. And tuck this over here. And now I'm just going to start adding leaves and berries and whatever else I have left over. This stem has about had it. So I'm going to cut the leaves off of this. And my goal this year is to not have anything that I have to store. So I'm going to use as much as I can. Okay, I've got everything cut up. And I've got a few flowers left from the haul. And these are the leaves from the haul, or from the daisy bush that I got at Walmart. And I'm just going to cut them off because I only want a little bit of the greenery showing. So I'm just going to put some of the leaves or the flowers in. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on. There we go. And I'll get a little bit of greenery in with those flowers. And you don't need much. It just breaks it up a little bit. And put in some nice bright leaves. And these are darker than the ones that were on the pumpkin sticks. So they show up real nice. And all you got to do is stand back and look at it, and you'll be able to see where you need a little extra color or a little extra filler. And cut these berries down so that they're a little more easy to manage. And tuck a little of the berries and the leaves in the back. Although mine's going on the bookcase, so you won't see the back. But you can see I'm putting everything on the bow, not on the lantern. Cut this one into two. Pop that right there. And bring the color over a little bit to the other side. Gotta love those glue strings. And I think it needs a little something here, so I'm going to put a cluster of berries there. And I think I'm going to put some bigger berries in there. I think it needs a little going down the sides. And you can keep building this all the way down. Make it as long or as short as you want it, because this is your arrangement. You do it the way you want it. I think it needs a little green at the top. I've got one more flower left. And I have almost used all of my leftovers, except for the stuff that I have put aside for a centerpiece. And I know you pay a fortune for this in the stores, and it's so easy to make, and it's all leftover Dollar Tree stuff. And I got one more leaf left. It's going to go to the mechanics. And I'm going to call this one done. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.